chemistry studies the molecules and chemical reactions that make life possible. It looks at what living beings are made of at chemical level and how the substances interact so we can move, grow, think, or reproduce. Basically, it connects chemistry and biology.
In organic molecules, water is the most abundant substance in living organisms. It dissolves almost everything, helps regulate temperature, and takes part in many reactions. Minerals are ions we need for things like movement, hair simplicity, or supporting bonds. Organic molecules contain carbon and form the main components of cells. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, lipids store energy, and build membranes. Proteins do most of the structural and catalytic work. And nucleic acids store and use genetic information.
Functional groups. These are specific parts of molecules that determine how they react, whether they dissolve and with what quantity, and how they interact with other molecules.
Ionic bond, a bond between oppositely charged ions. It is common in minerals and helps stabilize certain parts of proteins or molecules in water.
Covalent bond. When two atoms turn electrons, this is the bond that holds most large organic molecules together.
Glycosidic bond. The bond that links sugars together attached them to other molecules. It forms everything from these structures to long chains like starch.
Peptide bond, the bond that connects amino acids one after another to form chains that later fold into proteins.
Proteins, long chains of amino acids that perform many functions, providing structures, transforming substances, defeating the body, regulating processes, and speeding up reactions.
Classification of amino acids. They are grouped based on the properties of their side chains: hydrophobic, hydrophilic, acidic, basic, or special. There are 20 main amino acids and 9 are essential because we must obtain them from food. Enzymes, proteins that speed up chemical reactions without being consumed. They lower the energy required for reaction to occur.
Enzyme catalyzes a reaction. The enzyme binds the substrate, helps transform it, and releases the product. It is highly specific and can be regulated. Classification of enzymes. They are divided into 6 groups based on the type of reaction they catalyze: oxidation, reduction, transfer, hydrolysis, elimination, isomerization, and ligation.
Carbohydrates molecules made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen that provide quick energy, serving as storage or offer structural support.
Energy metabolism. ATP is the molecule that delivers quick energy to almost all cellular processes. When it breaks down, it releases energy to move molecules, transport substances, or build molecules. Lipids. Molecules that do not mix with water. They store energy from membranes and add a single molecule.
Waxes. Highly waterproof substance that protects surfaces in the plants, animal skins, or feathers.
Phospholipids. They have one part that attracts water and another that repels, which is why they form the bilayers of cell membranes. Esters. Molecules with 4 fuserines. Cholesterol is part of cell membranes and other function as hormones that regulate many processes.
Nucleic acids, chains of nucleotides. DNA stores genetic information and RNA uses it to make proteins.
Structure of DNA and RNA. DNA is a double helix with flexes bases pairing, while RNA is usually single stranded of uses uracil instead of thymine.
Vitamins and coenzymes. Many vitamins are converted into coenzymes that help enzymes function in metabolism. Vitamins compounds needed in small amounts. They are divided into water-soluble and fat-soluble types, and deficiency cause specific health problems.
Minerals are inorganic elements used for bone structure from balance, oxygen transport, and proper enzymes.
¿Ya?